Fling AI app. So here it is, kind of trending app, trending on TikTok. This is a new character AI app, your ultimate AI partner for engaging and flirty conversations. Experience a unique connection with our AI girlfriend and boyfriend features designed to bring you closer to your virtual friend. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Multiple AI companions and personalities. Explore an extensive galleries of AI companions, each with distinctive personalities. Um, Realistic conversations powered by advanced AI technology, role-playing adventures, voice messaging, group chat, character creation, interactive surprises, deepen your connection, ultra-realistic photos. So yeah, you can just open it up and here's how it looks like. However, it's a bit glitchy and buggy, so it doesn't work all the time. But yeah, you can then just chat with it. You can just send messages, send gifts, very similar as in Toki AI or character AI. You can send some photos. You can send voice messages. You can request selfies. You can request a call. But for all of these things, for a lot of these things, you will need to have coins, which you can claim daily coins. And then there are also role plays, so you can just go and participate in role plays in here, which is quite cool. And then there are chats. You can delete your chats. There is pro version where you can upgrade $50 per year or $7 per week. Then there is your profile. Then you can edit your personal details. Then you can upgrade to premium. Then you can see chat language in here. Then there's app language. Then you can delete all chats. You can also delete your account. And that's basically the idea. They have Discord community and the app is constantly updated. So kind of easy to use. You can use it for free, quite good. But to have all these advanced features, you need to upgrade. Again, can't log in. I couldn't log in, but then I tried it another day and it was working. So you can read the reviews. There are some honest reviews, not all of the bots. And then yeah, some of this, yeah, it's a bit not good, but overall decent app. I guess they are just going viral on TikTok as I just running some TikTok campaign. So that's what it is.